With La Cadrée Perchée, Lempreinte design architecture offers constant interaction with the outdoors through a home that reflects light and frames a wild, rejuvenating, and inspiring environment. As a demonstration of symbiosis with nature, this achievement reflects the benefits of architecture on the well-being and mental health of users. In the heart of a maple grove, high up in the mountains bordering Lac Franc in Morin-Heights, in the Laurentians region of Quebec, this 8-room, the 2,100 square foot residence was created by and for Pier-Olivier Lepage, founder of Lempreinte Design Architecture. The entrepreneur's vision was to take advantage of the vital energy of nature on a daily basis, enriching the experience of the forest. With its abundant fenestration, La Cadrée Perchée allows you to savor the panorama of the site from both sides of the building, comprised of several glass frames perched on the side of the mountain and facing the treetops. It gives the impression of leading to the top of the forest. Nature is put forward by the thorough view, but also through materials, both exterior and interior, where wood is omnipresent as a finishing element. To maximize transparency in the east-west orientation, the interior layout offers solutions such as a sofa recessed in a pit, a minimalist low-profile kitchen, and storage units grouped in circulation islands. The simplicity of the whole highlights the wood and the landscape as the main components of the decor. Private outdoor space. The project bears witness to economical and artisanal solutions, including a ceiling entirely composed of mounting furring strips, and exterior cladding made of fence boards. And despite its restricted surface area, it also suggests a functional and convivial space. Among other things, the living room, inspired by Japanese kotatsu, allows groups to enjoy optimal comfort for an entire evening around a fire, over a movie, or while eating dinner. For its part, the bedroom responds to the desire of users to enjoy a private space conducive to rest, work, or relaxation. The aforementioned space includes a bed, a built-in desk, and a bathtub, all oriented towards a window wall overlooking the forest. There are 2 terraces arranged in alcoves at the front and at the back of the residence. It is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.